I am often asked, can my vehicle be legally searched during the course of a DUI arrest? And the answer is yes. During the course of a DUI arrest, an officer will make an arrest and will also conduct an impound of the vehicle. Under the Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution, all citizens have a right to be free from unreasonable searches and seizures. However, through the years, the courts have accepted several exceptions to the requirements of the Fourth Amendment's warrant requirement. One of those exceptions, and one of the most common exceptions, is what's referred to as a search incident to a lawful arrest. What the law allows is that an individual being arrested can be searched in their immediate area, which includes the interior compartment of a vehicle, to look for other contraband, weapons, or other thing that may potentially endanger the officer, or to retain evidence of the offense charged. Another common exception to that is what's called an impound or inventory search. Under Utah law, an individual's car can be impounded, and almost always is impounded, during the course of a DUI arrest. Pursuant to the impound inventory search, an officer may then search, impound, and inventory the contents of that vehicle, therefore allowing the officer to search the vehicle. However, one thing you never want to do is consent to that search. If the officer asks you if he can search your vehicle prior to placing you under arrest, you have every right to say no, and you should. Make it clear to the officer that you do not give him consent. Officers like to ask questions in a way that they can try to construe the answer the way they want it. A common way to ask about a search is, do you mind if I search your vehicle? If you say yes, the officer says, yes, he allowed me to search. If you say no, they interpret it to say, no, I don't mind. Go ahead and search my vehicle. If you're ever asked by an officer to search your vehicle prior to being placed under arrest, the answer needs to be unequivocal. Officer, you do not have my permission to search my vehicle. Now, the officer may claim that he has probable cause to search, or he may threaten to get a dog or tear your car apart. The answer is still no. You never consent to a search. If you consent to the search, you're giving up any right to challenge that search. And oftentimes, evidence found during that search could potentially be suppressed, therefore either eliminating some of the charges or making your case better to defend. So the answer to the question, can they search my vehicle? The answer may be yes. The answer is also no. Always say no when asked for consent, but if the officer searches your vehicle subsequent to your arrest, we still can challenge whether or not that search was lawful by arguing that the arrest itself was not lawful.